Good day, friends. Today we will be starting a new topic on physics, which is electric charges. Let's start with this question. This question is, an insulated rod, when rubbed with a material, acquires a no charge if it is made of glass and rubbed with foam. B, no charge if it is made of copper and rubbed with silk. C, a positive charge if it is made of copper and rubbed with foam. D, a positive charge if it is made of glass and rubbed with silk. This question is telling us the concept on electric charges. We have two charges, positive charge and negative charge. When we talk about positive charge, we're talking about in electric charge as this topic is concerned. When we rub ebonite rod, let me write them on the board. Ebonite rod, okay, ebonite rod with 4. When we rub ebonite rod with 4, that's ebonite rod with 4, we have negative charge. When we rub glass with silk, we have positive charge. So let's go through the option. The option D, a positive charge if it is made of glass and rubbed with silk. That is this option. All other options are trying to test our knowledge. If we can identify ebonite rod and 4, glass and silk. So ebonite rod with 4, glass with silk. Ebonite rod gives negative charge. Glass and silk give positive charge. How do you remember this for the sake of the exam? Ebonite, N negative. The other one will be positive. See you in my next video. You have gained something in this video. Let's see this the options. No charge if it is made of glass and rubbed with foam. Electric charges do not tell us that. When you have glass rubbed with foam. No charge if it is made of copper and rubbed with silk. A positive charge if it is made of copper and rubbed with foam. The only concept we know is when ebonite rod rubbed with foam will give us a negative charge, and when glass is rubbed with silk, give us a positive charge. The only confusing part about this is to say no charge if it is made of glass and rubbed with foam. They are trying to give us glass and foam, which is a misplaced priority. See you in my next video. Bye.